discuss a phenomenal city that was once recorded its world history with this tower that tickled God's ascension, namely the Tower of Babel. And of the fantastic story is the book of Genesis in the Tower of Babel. The Tower of Babel is Hebrew, is called Migdal Babel, and in Arabic is the called Burj Babel in the tallest tower on earth ever built by humans in the Babylonian era. This Tower of Babylon stood after the time of the prophet Noah after the flood. The inhabitants of that era were endowed with greater physical strength and a dazzling stature compared to other nations. This tower is known today is a symbol of human arrogance and arrogance's ancient mythology states that in the past humans only had one language group and then humans traveled eastward and built a fairy that tower towering into the sky, a place called Shinar. There are many stories that tell about this tower, including those from the Torah, Javis, and the Bible. The story of the Tower of Babel is explained in the Old Testament of the Bible names, which is thought after the flood could combine humans to multiply and fill the earth. Humans actually did the opposite. They decide let use build ourselves a city with a tower was rope raised to the sky and let us make a name for ourselves that we being edited over the whole earth. Humans decided to build a big city and greater than they decided to build a giant tower is a symbol of their power and their glory. Most literators believe that the construction of the Tower of Babel was initiated by Nimrod, the grandson of the prophet Noah, in ancient Babylonian time long before Nebuchadnezzar. Nimrod's parents were Cush, son of Ham, son of the prophet Noah. The story of the construction of the city, which is called Tower, the name Babel is told in popular etymology based on the root word similar to the Hebrew word halal, which means mixture or chaos. This the fable becomes synonym with the chaos. The language difference, a part of good punishment for human arrogance. Tower of Babel, a term that is not found in the Old Testament, usually refer to the Tower Migdal that was built as the highness associated with the city and its young worshippers is generally assumed that just like the city, the tower was also not finished. The size of the ground floor of the Tower of Babel, 19 x 19 m, and its height towered into the sky. Above the ground floor were built 5 floors, each floor 6 19 m high. The height width of the smaller the size of the floor, and the crown of the building on the top level is a temple building which in the opinion of the time become the place of the presence of the good when dealing with humans, the means of connection as side of realms. The last part of a 7-story ziggurat show in height in the same of the width is based with a cube-shaped temple cloth at the top. Similar ziggurat we found is Assyria or Kala Erech in Nineveh. The Babylon ziggurat was deserted by Xerxes in 472 SM, and Alexander the Great cleared its ruins with the intention of rebuilding of the broken estate. Was never restored and great mysteries. The tower is seated warnings with Alexander and sword Nuskari.